The Naviate Command Offset Pipe network can be used to quickly create an offset copy of a pipe network. The command starts by selecting the first and last pipe in the span to be offset, or by selecting pipe's spanning label. The options under horizontal mode and vertical mode determine from what point on the pipe the offset value is calculated from. The distance is measured to a mirrored point on the offset pipe. Vertical mode also determines the direction of the offset. In the boxes for horizontal and vertical offset, the offset values are entered. Select Pipe is used to select a new pipe that will be created. The new pipe's diameter will then be added to the offset value. These settings can be saved at the top and reused later. Use the Preview button at the bottom to see a preview of where the new pipe network will be created. The command will create a reference line for the offset network. The type of line can be selected. Finally, select Create Pipe Network at the bottom and then click OK. This will then open a dialog to create the new pipe network. Enter a name for the new network at the top. The previously selected pipe is already selected here. Select a structure to create at the beginning and end, as well as at the intermediate points. The reference surface and the reference alignment are matched from the original pipe network. The vertex elevation reference is automatically set as centerline. Click OK to finish the command. The command creates a reference line in the center of the new pipe network. The reference line is connected to the original pipe network, so if the original span is moved, the reference line will move as well. Then use Update Pipe from 3D Polyline to update the location of the new pipe network. Select the reference polyline first, and then the first and last pipe in the span to be updated. Use the centerline as a reference and click OK. These settings can be saved, which means that next time the offset pipe needs to be updated, all that's required is to select the reference line.